Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to uninstall or disable add-on in FreeCAD. So if you want to do it, first you need to go to Tools and you need to go to Add-on Manager. Then a list of available add-ons will be displayed here. So I recommend you to change filter to Installed. Then you will see here Installed add-ons. So for example, I would like to uninstall this one add-on, so I click on it. And then if I want to uninstall it, I need to click on this one button, or if I want to disable it, I need to click on this one button. So I want to uninstall this add-on for the moment, so I click on this button, uninstall, and then you will see this one confirmation window. Are you sure you want to uninstall Mars Workbench? If you are sure you want to do it, you need to click yes button, and then process should be successfully finished. We have here window uninstall complete. Finished removing Mars Workbench. We need to click OK button, and how you see add-on has been successfully uninstalled. So in this way you can easily uninstall add-ons in FreeCAD. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. I recommend you to check interesting links in description, and please let me know in comment if you suffer a problem.